Some people think this item is unnecessary, but it's useful for avoiding the inconvenience and excess pouring from spice bottles. Replacing the cap with this automatic opening and closing all spout makes it much more convenient. You can operate it with one hand while cooking, easily control the amount used, and it won't drip oil. All the spice bottles at home can be fitted with this, and even glass beverage bottles can be used for this purpose. The seal is excellent and can be removed and reused multiple times. With this 2-in-1 oil bottle, you can both spray and pour oil, and it's surprisingly convenient. I really love the pouring spout. No matter if you pour quickly or slowly, it doesn't leak any oil. The spray nozzle is the same after spraying, there's no oil residue. The bottle is made of glass, so I feel safe using it. Plus, it has a switch that lets you easily change between spraying and pouring oil at any time.